Let's see how to get a paragraph automatically for practice in Microsoft Word. First off, we want to open Microsoft Word. And as you can see right here, we have our document ready. Now, what you can do to insert a random paragraph in Microsoft Word is use some of its coding functions. Now, simply type in this formula, equal sign, rand, and open and close. Now click enter, and that will automatically create a paragraph for you. You can also change the number of paragraphs along with the number of lines by simply typing in a number. So the first number refers to the number of paragraphs. So let's go ahead and type in 2 for 2 paragraphs and separated by a comma. Now the second number refers to the number of lines in that paragraph. So let's type in 4. Now let's close it and click enter. And as you can see, Microsoft Word has automatically created 2 paragraphs with 4 lines in each paragraph. I hope this helped, and I will see you soon.